eyes, you know, you'll use a camera. It looks like those. Hi guys, I'm on YouTube channel. The bigger the better. What do I call it? Something. Wait. I can't read that. What am I doing? Hi guys, my name is Nthabiseng and welcome to Kismet Factory Shop. This is where my happiness is. So come with me. A little bit of Pinterest marketing and searching, a little bit of mistakes here and there that lead to other things that I did not plan. And then at the end it comes out nice. Yeah, so those little mistakes, they make up for something. The first thing I made was a half scarf that I didn't finish, but I was using, you see those pipes inside a pen? I was using those when I learned to crochet. How long ago since I was in grade 4? Some of the products that I would preferably love to make, it's purses. Those girly tiny purses that look really cute. I love those, especially the ones with flowers. I love those. And then occasionally I make hats, scarves. Okay, I made those for the people I love. So yes, I make anything I feel is necessary for the person I'm making it for. If it's for myself, it's usually bags. Mostly bags.
Usually bags. So you don't struggle in terms of having bags, you know, scarves, hats?
I always have a bag to match an outfit. Size matters. Size matters. Yes. So the size of the crochet matters a lot. If it's very small, it will take forever. If it's big, it's always better. Tiny. Right? So, and then there's just different sizes of it. Now, if you're gonna crochet using something like this, you wanna do it for the rest of your life. Because when are you gonna finish?
Yeah.
This is when I once bought, you know, it's not here. This other really big wool, and I bought it by mistake because I was looking for this type, and something like this, and I bought a really big one, so and I bought a big crochet. Like yeah, something like this, right? Like this type of wool, this type of material. Okay. And I bought something completely off. It didn't even work, but I still made a nice hat out of it. A very fluffy hat. Yeah. The hat looks like costume or something like that. Yeah, but it's nice. It's very warm in winter. I have this, but I have a pink one. It's for the very hat I told you that I bought the wrong wool and then I ended up making a hat. I bought this. A pink one. It's beautiful. I don't know, what would you do though? Met.
So do you see
LGBTQRST. Yes. The people here are very friendly, eh? They're very friendly, yeah. I've never faced an issue, and they'll forever show you new stuff. Always they'll show you, oh, we have this type of wool. You know, you can use this for this and that. So there's that, you know, you're welcome type of energy every time you come here. And even if you're new to the industry, you'll never get lost when you come here.
Oh yeah?
Ever.
Nice.
So they're really nice people. If only I had a social media page, and then, you know, people would be able to come in and see my work. But, you know, I'll work on it. It's pending. There is obviously products that I would post. I just need a social media page now. Yes. Wow, this is a nice one. I'm actually finding out things today, eh? Where were these things all this time? And it's written in Chinese. And I come back for this. Oh, so I wanted to have a pink bag because I'm getting pink nails. People buy them on Shein, but like, it's nice when you made it yourself. Like, did I just say, this is a sweater, this jersey, what do you call that other jersey? Wool. Okay, it's a wool kaofela. It's sweater kaofela. I have a suffocating business, and yes, I love it. So the reason why my business is not really businessing, it's because I used to do it as a hobby, and then I chose to make it a business. It was no longer fun as a business, so I took it back to a hobby. So now I do it when I want to, not that I have to and stuff. So now it's nice. Everywhere is my workspace. I work where I am. So we are, maybe mobile. Mobile. It has everything. It has everything. You can never go wrong here. And it's close to work, so I can always come here whenever. I'm always within reach of this place. So it's forever nice to come. Oh, another bag. But this one is closed.